What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay, we are back right where I left off here on the Halloween display. It's not the hugest display, but we're gonna take a look and see what we have. We have these super cute scarecrow and jack-o'-lantern little like stand-up dolls. They're super, super cute. We have a variety of a few different ones. Ooh, these are definitely new. Some little black shiny berries. We have the Halloween ornaments. We also have the little felt craft kits, felt shapes, kitties. What's this one? Bats, ghosts, pumpkins, polka dotted pumpkins, the little LED projector lights, even more pumpkins, the cute little bat clips, also in purple, the little witch's leg and boot door hanger. We have tinsel stems in orange and in purple. We have even more packaged picks. And I think these ornaments are brand new for anyone that has a little Halloween tree, puts up their Halloween tree and then turns it into their Christmas tree. These are gonna sell fast, so if you guys are interested in these, definitely grab these right away. These are the metal words, haunted, spooky, and beware. Over here on the end cap, we have some super cute and fuzzy witch hats that are new for the year. We have ribbon. We have thick ribbon. We have even more. And we have some sparkle mesh, a couple different varieties. Over here, we have some paper lanterns, some little straw witch's brooms. We have another little LED light. This one is a LED strobe light. We have party bulbs. It's just a little black light, I think. We have these little lights. LED lights. Even more down here, more LED lights. Even more pumpkins. We have some purple lights, 5 feet. These are 5 feet, and these are 5 feet as well. More of the projector lights in black. We have a huge, nice, neat display of Hot Wheels cars for all the collectors out there. What a dream come true. It's so nice and neat. We have motorcycles, water bombers, cars, trucks, search and rescue. Ooh, this one is beautiful. Look at this one. Has kanji on it. So pretty. I love the cherry blossom. Speed driver. We have the matte Batmobile, Volkswagen Beetles. There's a lot to choose from. And then if you guys caught my live, I go live every Monday. I show this. We have the Beverly Hills Polo Club for men. This is a energizing shower gel. Let's see if we have anything new over here, because I haven't filmed in this location for a while. The wide angle smartphone lens, that would be fun. I always like to see if they have any new phone cases. This is the only location I ever found the Casemate phone cases in. I think some of these are new. Look at these. Cute, look at these. We have a few varieties. Candle holders. I think that's what they are. These are brand new candles for the week. Blue, sort of a green color, yellow, purple. These are all brand new. These are so cute. I think these are new too. Passion fruit peony, raspberry prosecco, what does that say? Pomegranate lily, and pink amber peony. Is this new? This one might be new as well. Wisdom and intelligence. It smells pretty. Maybe we'll see the rest of its family here in just a minute. Oh, here we go. Look, you guys, even more new candles. All of these varieties. Let me smell. They all smell pretty nice. This is what they look like up close. Femininity and fertility, spiritual communication, and wisdom and intelligence. Definitely new for the week. Wow, so we have this new collection, this new collection, and this new collection. So we have 11 new candles. We have brand new spa vent clips in calming light and aqua springs. Some of these refresh look new too. Hawaiian sunrise, fresh linen, midnight black, and new car. And then these are new as well. The California Scents, paper air freshener, 3 in a pack. And the Mentos ones are still here too. Look what I found, a huge witch's hat wreath form. We have the squares, the big circles, medium circles, and hearts. That is a really nice big wreath form if you want to do something for Halloween. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I gotta keep moving because they're gonna be closing pretty soon. I got here a little later than I wanted to today, so I better keep moving so I can keep sharing all of the deals with you guys and everything that's brand new for the beginning of August. Again, this is such a great location. You guys don't forget to run out to your Dollar Tree. We have name brand cereals this week. We have Poppets and even more name brand items that you don't want to miss. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here and on to the next aisle. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.